How to fix Uber app background check issues. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix background check issues on Uber app if you are using an iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Uber Drive app and from there, you'll have to just check for any errors under account section of your Uber driver account. If you got any errors under background check, you can directly fix it from there. And if it not solve it, make sure you have submitted all of the required document to Uber, including your driving license, insurance and profile photo. Now just check your mail from the Uber. If you got any mails from Uber for extra information or identity verification, still not updating on your iPhone, go to settings. From settings, tap on general. From general, tap on iPhone storage. From the section, find out the application Uber Drive. After you find it, tap on that. And from here, simply tap on Upload app. Alright, tap on Upload. Once you upload, tap on the option Reinstall app again from here. After you clear the cache of Uber Driver app on your iPhone, it will clear any stock data or catch up the application. After you complete from here, you'll have to just again open that application and try to log in with your account, and from that way you can manually fix that problem. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.